Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we'll be talking about this Invest 93 and another potential disturbance that should try and form near near the Bahamas. And we've got a disturbance here which has a 10% chance of formation, which they've actually downgraded it now. It was a 20% 10%, but now they changed it to 10-10. So yeah, this wave that's in the Pacific, disturbance number 1, disturbance number 2. Disturbance number 2 is less organized. We've got tropical storm Pamela, a 70-mile-an-hour 70-mile-an-hour tropical storm. It's forecasted to become a major hurricane by tomorrow, and should be making landfall Wednesday. Now, if this was making landfall Saturday, I would have done a full hour of coverage on this system. But tropical storm watches are out for Bay J, California. You got hurricane watches out for, I don't know, for some parts of Mexico. And you got tropical storm watches out for some other parts of Mexico. I don't know these parts of Mexico, so sorry. I don't know these parts of Mexico. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know my Mexican geography. But if we take a look at the ace for the east, no, not ace for the eastern Pacific, ace for the eastern Pacific, and you put 2021 at the end, 2021 at the end. There we are. 82.125,000 units. So the East Pack has had 82. So that will significantly change as of 2020. Flip that, guys. As the 2021 season officially, begins, ends, but these are the tracks, and this storm is the first name storm, Andres, and then you got Blanca, you got Carlos, or whatever the name is, then you got Dolores. No, then you got Dolores here. And then you've got Carla. Then you got Dolores. Then you got Iguan something. I don't know what the name is. Then you got Felicia. You got A B C D E F G H. Do you know what the H name storm was? This was Don't know what the storm was. Forgot what that storm was called. Forgot what that one was called. Definitely. Now, this one, think it might have been. Don't know what storm that was. Don't know what storm these guys were, but we had a hurricane there. Or was it Olaf? No, that was Olaf actually. Tropical storm. There's a system right now. There's a warning cone. And there you go. So 16 depressions, 16 storms, 6 hurricanes, and 2 majors. And $210 million. 9 fatalities. Yeah, so I'll show you the Atlantic one now. Now, obviously, you see the Atlantic's tracks is a lot different. That's Anna. That's Bill. Claudette. Danny. Elsa. Fred. Grace. Henry. Ida. Julian. No, that's Ida. A B C D E F G H I J. Julian. Kate. And Bill, Claudette, Danny, Elsa, Fred, Grace, Henry. And Bill, Claudette, Danny, Elsa, Fred, Grace, Henry, Ida, Julian, Kate, Larry, Julian, Kate. Ah, yes. Julian. So, I think this one. I think this was Kate. No, Julian. Kate. Larry. Mindy. Nicholas. Odette. Rose. Odette, Peter. Rose. And Sam. This is Sam. Victor. Let's see, Teresa and Victor. You got 20 depressions, 20 storms, 7 hurricanes, and 4 majors. You got $69.513 billion of damages. The fourth costliest tropical cyclone on record. That was Ida, actually. So, yeah, let's take a look at the JTWC, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. This is probably going to be a 20-minute long video, guys, so I do apologize. Right, I need to have a look at the JTWC, Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Here we are, right. Tropical Storm Komparsu. Right, Komparsu is intensifying. It's no longer to become a typhoon anymore, as upper level winds will literally blow the system to pieces right now. It is 50 knots. It's meant to go up to 60 knots here, and then weaken, so it's meant to go up to 70 knots. Could maybe get up to 65, but no, maybe get up to 75, but you know. Then you got Namasu, which is just going up north. I'm not really doing nothing, to be honest with you. Tropical Tibet, there we are. Forecast models. Right, now the 12Z the 12Z model one is out. North America. Right, so we do have Wanda, Adria. So, Barrel, or whatever the storm is called. Then the sea name storm. Then you got a 1008 millibar hurricane in the Atlantic. In the Caribbean. So, you know, the pattern has been like this for ages. You know, when storms just form, they just form over here. Sometimes in October, when storms do form from the MDR, they end up doing that. That's your typical October pattern. But these recent years, your typical October pattern was like that. Now, sometimes you do see subtropical systems, you know, forming up here and affecting us in the UK, obviously. But, you know, I will show you satellite imagery now of these systems. And then I will actually, well, tropical storm Pamela does look a tiny bit disorganized due to a tiny little bit of wind shear, but you know, wind shear can't really tear the systems apart. But on the latest frames, it does look like it is battling some dry air. I think it is. Is dry air got some dry air? No, dry air's not even getting into it. It's just a bit of wind shear, as you can see here. You can see the dry air off to the north. You see the dry air all in the Gulf here. You got the dry air here. You got the dry air towards the south of it. Dry air towards the north of it. So luckily it has that sweet spot to intensify there. Now it could move up north and do that. Now if it does that, it'll get in a little bit of dry air, but this storm won't be moving west for any longer. It'll be moving. It'll possibly be moving like this tomorrow, or maybe just move a tiny bit more north and do that. So this is what the system looks like. Yeah, the Pacific has been quiet for near enough the whole of September. This is what it looks like. High res, high res, long range. I'm going to show Invest 93L, water vapor. Now, 93L is in a very moist environment, actually. It's just the wind shear, which is incredibly strong. You know, it does have a bit of dry air there, a bit of dry air there. But most of the dry air off is towards in the Caribbean, where it's mostly all the wind shear, basically. So if the wind shear dies down, then, you know. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash a like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you all in the next video, and I hope you have a good day. Stay safe from Hurricane Pamela in Mexico. And so see you all in the next video. Peace, and have a great day.